Welcome to the Global Dossier Public Access. This service provides users the ability to access all related applications filed at the participating intellectual property offices around the world. By using the Global Dossier Public Access, users can track the progress of applications all around the world. To use this service, users can type in the application or publication number from any of the participating IP offices. First, click on the Office of Interest, select the type of number, and then enter the number itself. The service will provide some guidance regarding what format the number should be in. When a number is typed in, notice how the system queries all of the IP offices in real time. There may be instances where the application may not be available, as shown here. When that occurs, users will see an error indicator next to the application that will provide additional information on why the application data was not retrieved. In this situation, a user can refresh individual applications to attempt to gain access to the application. If a user needs assistance, help information is provided regarding the service hours of each IP office. In addition, there is a tool that informs users about the actual service availability of a specific IP office. On this screen, the user has several options. After submitting a search request, the user can see the number of members in the patent family, as well as the number currently shown. If need be, what is shown in the patent family list can be modified. For example, by adjusting the filters, the user can view applications from additional offices, view applications from specific offices, and even sort by different columns. In addition, the user can also see when an office action is available in a specific application from a specific IP office and the number of documents that are identified as office actions in the application, based on information provided by the corresponding IP office. The next feature is the Quick View. This can be accessed by either clicking on the white box of an individual document or by clicking on the black box to view all of the quick views of all of the applications. The Quick View displays the 3 most recent documents that were filed in each application. The user can select an individual document to view it on the same screen. In this example, the document is actually in English, even though it is from a Chinese application. That is because for certain documents, the office will also provide machine translations of the original document. This machine translation is done in real time, so there may be a slight delay. The user has the option to open the documents in new windows or download copies of the documents to a local storage device. In addition, these documents can be added to collections, or the entire application can be added to the collections. The Collections view will display all of the documents and applications saved to a specific collection. To ensure your privacy, the collections are only persistent for the session that you are in. Once you leave the Global Dossier, the system will delete everything you have saved to collections. Before closing the session, a user can print out a copy of everything saved as well as download a copy of the list of documents and applications saved to the collections. The next feature is the user's history. By clicking on the History tab, a user can see all of the different applications that were viewed or retrieved. In particular, this feature will allow a user to go back and view different families that were looked at during that session. Like with the Collections tab, the history results are only persistent for that particular session. Once a user exits a session, the system will delete the history so that privacy is maintained. The next feature is the Application or Dossier view. To access this view, click on the All Documents tab. The system will then display the entire file wrapper history of that particular application, including the total number of documents in the application, as well as the application number and publication number. In this view, you can click on specific documents, and they will be displayed. Once again, this process is done in real time. Please be aware that there may be delays, or the system within a particular office may be down for maintenance or service. Please check the service status or the service hours. The system allows users to download the document list, save the list of documents to a local storage device, and allow the user to switch between applications in the patent family, so it is not necessary to go back to the patent family screen to view another application. Finally, there is the Classification and Citations feature. This allows the user to see all of the classifications and citations that are available for that particular application. There will be a link for applications that contain CPC classifications. By clicking on a class and subclass, a user can view a brief description of that particular class or subclass to better understand what that class subclass corresponds to. Regarding citation data, the system provides some information about the citations that were made in that particular application, including whether they were cited by the applicant or by the examiner, and, if available, the document in which they were cited. If that citation is from one of the IP5 offices, the system will provide the ability to actually retrieve the patent family of that citation, as well as to view the application dossier of that citation. In addition, if the citation is a U.S. patent publication, the user has the ability to view the publication of that citation. Thank you for viewing this presentation on the Global Dossier Public Access System. For more information, please visit our website at www.uspto.gov.